revision for your periodic test 3, that is tomorrow of English. You have poem 3, Magic Hat.
Good morning,
Chapter
ma'am.
number
Anshika
4.
present.
Chapter number 4, Uncle Podger hangs a picture. And lesson number 7 and 8, based on adjective and comparison of adjective. Right?
Ma'am, you in school?
Let's do the revision, Dhruv. It doesn't matter whether I'm in school or I'm at home. Right? Okay. You know
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rules?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
know the rules?
Yes, ma'am.
If you know the rules,
Yes,
you will not say
yes,
yes.
ma'am.
If you knew the rules, you wouldn't say yes. Only Yashika has written yes, ma'am, in the chat box. You will write the answers in the chat box for speaking in the class. Let's start. Okay. I'm giving you some lines. You have to answer based on that lines. But much later, I thought to myself, if I had that marvelous hat. What did the magician pull out of the hat? What did the magician, Nandini?
Rabbit.
Rabbits. Very good. Absolutely correct. Name the poem of the given lines. Yashika,
Ma'am, the magic hat.
the magic hat. What kind of weather did the poet want for her extra Saturday? What was the weather that Ayushirohi?
Sunny sky weather.
Sunny sky weather. Very good. Okay. In Magic Hat, the poem, the poet wants to help everyone. True or false? Vanch? Vanch, true. Absolutely correct. Any doubt to anyone in this poem? You can ask, you can write the name in your chat or raise your hand if you have a doubt. You can ask right now. Otherwise, we'll move towards to the chapter. Okay, no doubts. Let's move for Uncle Roger hangs a picture. Now, next few questions are based on this. Yes, Veer. Veer.
Ma'am, the rhyming scheme of magic hat. AA or BB?
A, B, B is the same thing. There is no difference in that.
Okay.
Anyone else? Any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Please say yes or no at least so that I know. The rhyming scheme is A, B, A, B, not A, A, B, B. Fine? Sunday cape had a cape. Sunday had cape a cape. Myself had boots, bad. Boots and bad. Hat and bad. Yes, it's A, B, A, B. Yes, Yashika.
Ma'am, the rhyming scheme of the chapter, the Uncle Podger hangs the picture.
But there is
Uncle
no
Frozen
rhyming
and
scheme for the hand for the chapter. The rhyming scheme is only for the poems.
Ma'am, what is the rhyming scheme of the Magic Hat poem?
A B A B.
Ma'am, please start the revision.
Rashi, do not speak in the class. That too unnecessarily. And Anshika, you can comb your hair later on. Let's do the revision first. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, the student was said that AB question was come in exam.
Any question can come. I'm not telling you the questions. We are doing the revision.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, let's do for Uncle Podger hangs a picture. The picture came from Dash. The picture came from Dash. Karnit,
Frame maker.
Frame-maker is absolutely correct. There were Dash people in the house at the end of the day. There were Dash people. Okay. Nandini,
7.
7 is absolutely correct. Very good. Uncle Podger's dash was purple in color. Jakaran,
Uncle Podger's coat was purple in color.
excellent. Uncle Podger's coat was purple in color. Dash was supposed to get him the ruler. Dash was supposed to get. Rashi, I will throw you out. Please follow the rules. Muniba, Ruchika. No, Sam is wrong. Ruchika.
Tom.
Tom. Yes, Tom is the correct answer. Tom was supposed to go and get the ruler. Uncle Podgers tried to save the dash and cut himself. What was he trying to save? The question is Uncle Podger tried to save the dash and cut himself. Rashi,
Ma'am, glass.
glass, very good. Uncle Podger said that he should have asked the dash to find it for him. Whom did he said that instead of you people, my dash can find it? What was that? He should have asked the dash to find it. Ruchika?
Cat.
Cat. Very good. By the time the nail was found, Uncle Podger has lost the. When the nail was lost. Yes, Karnit?
Hammer.
Karnit? Hammered. Very good. So, hammered is the correct answer. When the nail was found, the hammer was lost. So, in short, we have done the revision in the sequence of the chapter. See, firstly, there was a frame maker that has sent the picture. Then Uncle Podger decided to hang and asked Tom and other people to get n number of things that was asked. One of that was Tom was asked to get the ruler. And then as he was hanging, the frame slipped and trying to save the glass, he cut himself. Now they were finding the handkerchief, and the handkerchief was in his purple coat on which he was already sitting, and they were not able to find one handkerchief. There were 7 people, and at the last, when he was hanging, he has lost the nail, and when the nail was found, he has lost the hammer. Any doubt in this chapter now? We have done the summary also. It's very easy. Yes, easy. Okay. All right, let's do the revision based on adjective and your degree of adjectives. Fine. The questions that I'm asking now, you have to tell me the adjective of the given noun. Fine. You have to frame adjective from the given nouns. First, photograph. What is the adjective of photograph? Nandini?
Photographic.
Photographic. Photography is not the adjective. Photography is a type of art. Photographic is the adjective of photograph.
Ma'am.
Skill.
Ma'am.
Nandini, I'll come to you. Please wait. Skill. What is the adjective of skill? No, that is a past tense. No. Yashika?
Ma'am, skillful.
Skillful is absolutely correct. Adventure. Adventure. No, that is plural. Yashika?
Ma'am, adventurous.
Adventurous. Very good. Choice. Veer. Choice.
Choiceless.
Choiceless. Excellent class. Now filling the blanks using the correct degrees of adjective. We have 3 degrees as discussed: positive, comparative and superlative. This pillow is the dash soft. Using the adjective soft, what will come? This pillow is the dash. Karnit?
Softest.
Softest, because there is the in the sentence. Fine. Shushma is dash, then Anshika. Tall. Tall, taller, tallest. What will
Taller.
come? Taller. Please do not speak the answers. Nandini, what is the answer, bache? Shushma is dash, then Anshika.
Taller.
Taller. And to question your answer, buffoons means jokers. They were making fun of, they are making joke of themselves because they were not able to find the handkerchief. Fine? Okay. She is my dash aunt. Favorite, most favorite, more favorite, lesser favorite. She is my dash aunt. No, Ayush Karnit, wrong answers. There is not the here. There is no comparison, bache. She is my favorite aunt. Very good, Veer. The answer is she is my favorite aunt. It does not say she is the dash aunt. If the would be in the question, then most favorite. But the question says she is my dash aunt. My here is no comparison. We are just telling that she is my favorite aunt. Fine. Any doubt to anyone in adjectives or degree of adjectives? We are done with the revision main points. In case you have any doubt you want to discuss, please let me know. Yashika says no, Ayu says no. Others? Yes, Nandini?
Ma'am, I have doubt in second question, third part.
What is second question, third part?
Ma'am, sorry, adjective for comparison, second question, third part.
But read the question. I don't know what is the second question, third part.
Maya solved more math problems than that Arun, but Megha solved the dash is many.
Most is the means superlative degree. See, I told you the identification. Whenever you have the in the sentence, that is superlative degree. Superlative degree means EST or most. So she solved the most problems. Is that clear,
Okay, ma'am.
Nandini? Okay.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
other one? Anyone else has a doubt? In case you have skipped something, you can always check the recordings, you know. Otherwise, you can ask me your doubts. I'm not giving any homework, just revise for the syllabus. Yes, Ayush, what you have to say, bache?
Ma'am, please ask more question of adjective for
Bache, I've
comparison.
already asked you, practice on your own. Okay, what
Okay,
is
ma'am.
the comparative degree of bad? Let me ask Ayush. Comparative degree of bad.
Bad, worse, worst.
Excellent. Bad, worse, and worst. Similarly, good, better, best. Similarly, many, most, many more, most. Right? So these are the some exceptions. Please do not do better. Better is no English word. It's worse. WORSE. Any doubt, anyone? Anyone? Okay, so it's almost 11.
Ma'am.
All right, all right, all right. Please do the revision. Prepare for periodic, that is tomorrow at 3 p.m. Fine. All the best, all the very best, everyone, for your English periodic. Please reconnect at 11:30 for the revision of GK, as it is on Thursday, and Thursday we do not have any class. All right, everyone. Yes, Veer, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt that my parents own this car. It is there. It is right or wrong?
Sorry, repeat again.
My parents own this car. It is there. It is right or wrong?
It is there. I'm not understanding what you are saying. My parents on the car. What is the question?
Ma'am, possessive adjective.
Sorry, it is there. Possessive adjective. Yes, that's correct. My parents are on the right. It on the car. It is theirs. It is correct. THEIRS. Theirs is possessive. It is there, not theirs. There. I hope your question is clear, because is it clear, Veer? Or should I just tell me the page number? We'll discuss it
Yes, ma'am.
then.
It is
It is
page number
clear?
60. Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay then. If it is clear, no need. There. It is there, then it is correct. Their car. Possessive adjective should come at the before a noun. So their car will be the possessive adjective, not it is theirs. It is there is possessive pronoun. Fine. My parents are on a ride. They are traveling in their car. So their car, there is a possessive adjective here.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Any other doubt? All right then. All the very best, everyone. Please read and then attempt. All of you, please attempt the paper.
Ma'am, paper is
Take the
20
paper
marks.
yourself. Yes, the paper is of 20 marks on Atlantic at 3.
Ma'am, which time is allotted to our paper?
You have not seen the date sheet? That is at 3 o'clock. Tomorrow at 3. All right,
Tomorrow
everyone.
grammar.
Bye, everyone. Let's reconnect at 11:30.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.